Today in this video, we will teach you how to broadcast a personalized message with different data. Let's say you have a consumers list with different dues and different dates for dues on their account. For example, user A has a total due of $50 US and his last date for payment is 28th Feb. And user B owes $75 USD in total, with a March 12th deadline. We can use a message template with custom fields to broadcast a list like this. To begin, you must import the subscriber list with data. Let's see how to do that. At first, go to WhatsApp Subscriber Manager. Select the WhatsApp account from which you want to send the message. Then go to Option, and select Import Subscribers. Here, BotSailor has a sample CSV file. You can download it and see the format. It has only two columns, one is for the phone number and the other one is for the name. I have already created my user list with two more columns with data. You can add more columns if you need. These two columns will be added as custom variables to use on the message template. As a caution, you can add a single quote at the beginning of any data for unusual formatting. Or just change the cell format to text and save it before uploading. Let's upload the CSV file. After uploading, it will show the first two data for you to verify. You can select a label for these subscribers. If you keep it blank, then the file name will be used as a label. Finally, click on the Confirm button. Yes, the subscribers have been added successfully. If you look at a subscriber, you'll notice that the custom variable data has been added to them. Also, the label is assigned to the subscriber. Now, let's create a message template. To create a message template, go to Bot Manager and select the WhatsApp account. Then select the message template. Click on the Create button. Give the template a name. Then select the Local and Template category. Then write the message body. In the message body, we will use the custom field. Save the message template. Let's check the status of the template. Yes, it has been approved. Now, let's go to the broadcast. Click on the Create button. It will redirect you to the Visual Flow Builder. Give the campaign a name. Then select Anytime. Select the message template that we have just created. In the Include Label ID, select the label that we have used to upload the subscribers list. It should show the targeted subscribers number. Click on the OK button. Then, double-click on the Start Bot Flow and give a name to the bot flow. Finally, save the bot. That's it. For each of the list subscribers, it must send a WhatsApp message with the personalized information. Yes, it has sent the WhatsApp message. You can also see the reports from here. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.